Let's read question 17. Man and Mohan are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in proportion of 1:1. Mark karo. From the given trial balance, adjustment, prepare final accounts, capital and drawings, purchase and sales, trading, advertisement, profit and loss, carriage outward, profit and loss, machines, asset, purchase of office मशीन. ऊपर मशीन में ऐड हो जाएगा तो ऊपर मशीन को टिक करो और यहाँ पे लिख दो ऐड टू मशीन. Then building, asset, office salary, profit and loss, customer and suppliers, customers 25,000 asset, supplier liabilities 35,000, goods returned 16,000 is sales return and 14,000 is purchase return. ऊपर purchase and sales को टिक कर दो. Weight charges, trading, loan of a partner, loan of month. So you will have 6% interest. Okay, it's a hidden adjustment. टिक कर दो. साथ में ही कर देंगे. Custom duty, trading, good stock, opening stock, trading expense, profit and loss, wages and outstanding wages. Now wages trading and outstanding wages liability. So 2600 के पास L and 750 के पास P trading account. Commission paid in advance, asset, bank account, cash account. Now cash account is 20,700 asset and bank account 3,000 bank overdraft liability. Interest on loan, expense, profit and loss account debit. Interest in 8% government security. Now is the date given? Is any other information given? So we will receive full interest for full 1 year. Yes. तो ये calculate करना पड़ेगा in short. It's a hidden adjustment because percentage is given. और डेट नहीं दिया है कि कब परचेज किया, तो इट इज एज्यूम दैट वी हैव परचेज्ड दिस एट द बिगिनिंग. इट वाज देयर एज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर ओपनिंग बैलेंस. इन सम प्रीवियस ईयर इट वाज परचेज्ड. ओके, वी आल्सो हैव इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. कैन यू सी 400? ओके, उसको भी टिक करो. दैट्स कनेक्टेड विद दिस पार्टनर इन एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी अदर लोन. देन करंट अकाउंट भी है इसमें. You have Man and you have Mohan. Okay, so we have to make partners current account, we have to make trading account, we have to make profit and loss, and we have to make the balance sheet. Got it, all of you? Adjustments mark karo. Provide depreciation 10% on machines and building. So tick machine, tick building. Debtors of 10,000 became insolvent and 50% will be received as per instructions. Provide 5% bad debt reserve. Tick customers, extremely important adjustment, mark adjustment 3 as important. New concept, 10% interest is outstanding on bank overdraft. So bank overdraft, cash and bank. 3,000 जो है वहाँ पे बैंक अकाउंट को टिक करो. हिडन एडजस्टमेंट. $10% is completely outstanding. Okay, ऐसा दिया ही है. तो ये जो ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन है, we assume it belongs to the partner. Okay, then goods of 2,000 is missed out to record in sales return बुक. नाउ सेल्स रिटर्न बुक में रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया, तो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे तो वो अफेक्ट करेगा सेल्स रिटर्न को. टिक करो. 16,000 को गुड्स रिटर्न को टिक करो. एंड सेकंड इफेक्ट, सेल्स रिटर्न किसको अफेक्ट करता है? डेटर्स को. सो कस्टमर को फिर से टिक करो. सेल्स रिटर्न वी हैव टू डिक्रीज फ्रॉम द कस्टमर्स. इज दिस क्लियर? ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू आर रेडी विद द फॉर्मेट? Okay, capital as it is. 1,280,000. Mohan, 2,20,000. Drawings. Now we have current account, we also have debit balance and credit balance. So first let's write it. 1,4. Buy balance bought forward. 12,000. 1,4. To balance bought forward. Purchase and sales. Before we write that, to opening stock. $42,000. To purchase. 80,000. Minus purchase return 14,000. $66,000. Sales. Buy sales. Inner column. 1,20,000. Minus sales return. 16,000. And we have further sales return. As per adjustment, we'll do it later and close it. Advertisement expense, first two lines blank. To advertisement expense 7,000. Carriage outward. $850. Machines, office, 1,50,000. But we also have building, तो पहले building लिखते हैं. Building 2,50,000. Machines. We have 1,50,000 plus addition on 1,416. Balance sheet is as on 31/3/2017. So it is 40,000. Inner column 1,90,000. Office salary. To office salary 15,000. Custom modes 25,000. Minus sales return minus bad debt as per adjustment minus bad debt reserve as per adjustment. Suppliers 35,000. Goods return done. Weight charges 450 trading account. Loan of month 10,000. Custom duty 1,300. Good stock trading expense 1,300. Wages 750. outstanding wages 2600. Commission paid in advance 350. Bank account and cash account. Bank account inner column. $3,000. Cash account. $20,700. Interest on loan, inner column 400. We have a hidden adjustment. Interest on loan 400. Now, loan of partner month is 10,000. No information is given, so we have to give interest at the rate of 6%. So 600 we have to pay. उसमें से 400 we have already paid. So plus outstanding interest on loan 200. Outer column 600. Second effect, liability, outstanding interest on loan 200. Investment in 8% government security. $30,000. Now no information is given about it, so we considered this as a hidden adjustment. And we have to receive interest at the rate of 8%. So interest receivable by interest on government securities receivable 2,400. 8%. So it's our asset. Interest receivable on government security. Current account. Drawings 21.3. Two drawings 3,000 and 4,500. Check out all we have done. We have given two effects for hidden adjustments. There were two hidden adjustments. Let's start with the closing stock. क्या आएगा closing stock? The value of closing stock is 80,000. Its market value is 10% more. तो 10% से कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. Buy closing stock. $80,000. Second effect, balance sheet asset. Provide depreciation 10% on machine. Now machine 1,50,000 from beginning and 40,000 also from beginning. So minus depreciation at the rate 10%. 19,000. So 1,71,000. Building also minus depreciation at the rate 10%. 25,000. 2,25,000. Second effect. To depreciation on machine. and to depreciation on building. Very important adjustment, mark karo adjustment number 3. Now, before we do the adjustment number 3, we'll have to do adjustment number 5 because it is connected with this sales return over here. Okay, so 4th kar lete, then we do 5 and then we go back to 3. 10% interest is outstanding on bank overdraft. So bank overdraft plus outstanding interest 10%. So 300. Outer column 3,300. We owe to the bank. Second effect to interest on bank overdraft 300. Now let's go to adjustment number 5. Goods of 2,000 is missed out to record in sales return book. तो यहाँ sales return में 2,000 आ जाएगा. So outer column is 1,02,000 and customers में से भी हो जाएगा minus. What's the journal entry for sales return? Sales return account debit to customers account credit. Okay, so sales return increase कर दिया and customers को decrease कर दिया. $23,000. Got it? Now, adjustment number 3 is very important. Debtors of 10,000 became insolvent. Now, what are the debtors we have? Our debtors right now is 23,000. उसमें से 10,000 became insolvent. 10,000 जो है वह insolvent है and remaining कितने हैं 13,000. Now 50% amount will be received as per the instruction of his receiver. यानी इसमें से 50% हमें 100% मिलने वाला है. So कितना हमें मिलने वाला नहीं है 50% नहीं मिलेगा. So 5,000 we will not get. So this 5,000 out of this bad debt is 5,000. Okay, so we give the effect bad debt as per adjustment 5,000. What we are left is 18,000. Second effect to bad debt as per adjustment 5,000. Just wait a moment. Now, what is the bad debt reserve as per adjustment percentage? 5%. Now, ये जो 5,000 है वो bad debt हो गया. बाकी का जो 5,000 है, can I say these are my good debtors? ये receiver ने कहा है, court has approved, so I am going to receive this money for sure. तो इसके ऊपर I will not create bad debt reserve. Understood this? There are 3 categories of debtors: good, bad, and doubtful. तो good debtors, we are sure कि हमें टाइम पे पैसा मिल ही जाएगा. Bad debtors, यानी हमें वो पैसा मिलने वाला ही नहीं है. But third category है doubtful debtors. तो 5% ही doubtful है. ये तो 100% गुड है, तो इसमें हमें कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये तो 5,000 हमें श्योरली मिलने वाला ही है, इसमें कुछ भी 5% का डिडक्शन आने वाला नहीं है. तो we will not create reserve on this 5,000, we will create reserve on this 13,000. Understood this? All of you understood this? Okay. Now, फिर से एक बार. Total debtors are 23,000. Okay. इसमें से 10,000 insolvent हो गया था. तो उसमें से कोर्ट ने कहा कि रिसीवर से we are going to receive 50%. तो जो नहीं मिलने वाला है वो तो ऑलरेडी डिडक्ट कर दिया. ये तो फ्यूचर में हमें पूरा 5000 मिलेगा, इसमें कुछ भी डाउटफुल है? कुछ भी डाउटफुल नहीं है। तो डाउटफुल क्या है? ये 13,000 में से 5% इज doubtful, so we have to create reserve on this 13%. Don't directly create 5% reserve on 18,000. It will be on 13,000, that is 650. Got it, all of you? Okay, be careful about this concept. Then amount is 17350. Second effects, bad debt as per adjustment 5,000 plus bad debt reserve as per adjustment 650. 5650. 1,82,000. 1,82,000 to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, gross profit. How much? 7,500. Okay, by trading account. Gross profit 71500. It's a loss, so 74700. 74700 by partners current account. What's the amount of loss? 800. Month and Mohan 400. Does this match with the answer? Okay. So transfer it current account to profit and loss account 400. Let's balance it. It's 11,400. 11,400 by balance carried forward 11,400. It is a debit balance, so we write over here current account month 11,400. Mohan credit side 12,000. 12,000 to balance carried forward 7,100. Current account Mohan 7,100. 10. What's the total? 5,58,200. टैली हो गया?